This one equation has 3 answers, and most people find only one answer. Let's uncover both like detectives. This is considered as the one of the most difficulty question in the Math Olympiad. Our question is xx minus xxx is equal to 36. We can rewrite it as x square minus x cube is equal to 36. Our job is to find the value of x. Here 36 we can write it as 27 plus 9. 27 we can write it as 3 cube and 9 we can write it as 3 square. Here we need a minus because in the question we're having minus. If you think little bit you can rewrite this as 3 whole cube we can write it as minus of minus 3 whole cube. And 3 square we can write it as minus 3 whole square. Rearranging an whole equation we can write it as x square minus x cube is equal to minus 3 whole square minus of minus 3 whole cube. From this we can consider as x is equal to minus 3. This is our first answer. This is our trial answer. In order to find another 2 roots we have x square minus x cube is equal to 36. Take 36 to the left side, then we can write it as minus x cube plus x square minus 36 is equal to 0. Multiply with minus 1, then we get as x cube minus x square plus 36 is equal to 0. So this we can write it as x cube plus 3x square minus 4x square plus 36 is equal to 0. Take x square is common here. And 4 also common in the second term. So here in the second term x square minus 9 we can write it as x square minus 3 square. X square minus 3 square we can write it as x plus 3 into x minus 3. So in place of x square minus 9 we can write it as x plus 3 into x minus 3. So now take x plus 3 as common, then we get as x plus 3 into x square minus 4 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. So here inside 4 can be multiplied, so we can get as x plus 3 into x square minus 4x plus 12 is equal to 0. So here x plus 3 is equal to 0 and x square minus 4x plus 12 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 3, so we have got the second answer also. So now take x square minus 4x plus 12 equals 0. So this is a quadratic equation, so we have to find the roots, so our root formula is minus b plus r minus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 12. So substitute the values in the formula, then we get as x is equal to 4 plus r minus square root of minus 32 by 2. So this we can be write it as x is equal to 4 plus r minus 4 square root 2I by 2. So then we can write it as x is equal to 2 plus r minus 2 square root 2I. So here we got the plus r minus because we are having 2 answers, one is in the plus answer and another is in minus answer, and also third answer is x is equal to minus 3. So we have got all the 3 answers. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget you to subscribe.